everybody, Nick Ortel. I'm a business and tax attorney here at Foster Swift and going to be talking today about a recent development with respect to Michigan sales tax. So are you an out-of-state online seller that's making sales into the state of Michigan? If so, then you'll need to be aware that Michigan recently enacted the Main Street Fairness Act, which is another attempt to kind of level the playing field between brick and mortar sellers and then online retailers. So the act creates a presumption of nexus in two events. And if you remember that nexus is one of the basic elements of the applicability of the 6% Michigan sales tax. So if one of these new presumptions is applicable, then an out-of-state online retailer may be required to collect and remit the Michigan 6% sales tax. So with that said, let's jump into what these two new tests are. So the first test is the affiliate nexus test. And under the affiliate nexus test, an out-of-state online retailer will be presumed to have nexus if the seller itself or any affiliate of the seller uses its employees or agents in the state of Michigan to promote sales. If the seller or any affiliate uses any facility or building in the state of Michigan to deliver or store products. So if there's a warehouse or something that the seller or affiliate owns, that would trigger it. Test 1, the affiliate nexus test, can also be triggered if the seller or affiliate delivers, installs, does maintenance, any repairs on products sold to Michigan purchasers. That would also trigger it. And then finally, the affiliate nexus test can be triggered if the seller or an affiliate of the seller facilitates the sales of products by allowing the purchasers to pick up the products at any building or facility located in the state of Michigan. So those are the basic kind of elements of test 1, the new affiliate nexus test. Test 2 is the click-through nexus test. And the click-through nexus test basically states that an out-of-state seller will be presumed to have nexus if that seller enters into an agreement with a Michigan resident whereby the out-of-state seller is paying a commission to the Michigan resident to refer sellers to the out-of-state seller. So for example, if there's a link on a web page and a Michigan resident is kicking purchasers over to an out-of-state seller, that could trigger the click-through nexus test. Or if there's some sort of oral promotion or referral, that could also trigger it. I guess 2 sub-caveats to the click-through nexus test is that it's only applicable if the cumulative gross receipts from sales made by the seller to referred Michigan purchasers is above $10,000, and the total amount of cumulative sales made by the out-of-state seller to Michigan purchasers, whether referred by Michigan residents or not, exceeds $50,000. Okay, so those are the basic elements of the Main Street Fairness Act. Again, if you're an out-of-state internet seller or online seller, you definitely want to give some thought to whether you may now be presumed to have Michigan nexus, and that may trigger an obligation to collect and remit 6% Michigan sales tax. Again, if you have any questions on this topic, feel free to email me or call me, and I'm happy to discuss. Thank you.